Hi there, welcome to knitting.com. Today, we're moving away from our usual knitting content to explore the world of crochet. All you'll need for this tutorial is a 5mm crochet hook and 4-ply worsted weight yarn. You can also use bulky weight yarn if 4-ply feels too thin to work with. Let's get started. Today's lesson is all about the magic ring, also known as the magic circle. It's perfect for seamlessly cinching crochet projects and it's super easy to make. Here's how. Pinch your yarn between your thumb and ring finger. Wrap your yarn over your fingers twice with the second wrap falling behind the first. Wrap your yarn over your pinky once to stop the yarn from moving around. Take your crochet hook and pass it under the front yarn strand and grab the strand at the back. Pull it out from under the first strand. Twist the hook away from you to make a small loop. Go over the first strand and yarn over on the second strand. Pull the yarn through to make a stitch. Now you have your magic circle. The magic circle is amazing for crochet projects that need to be cinched shut, like beanies, coasters, and stuffed toys. It takes a while to get used to, so let's make it again. Wrap your yarn over your fingers twice, with the second wrap falling behind the first. Wrap your yarn over your pinky for some stability. Insert your hook from underneath the first strand and grab a loop. Make sure to pull the yarn out from under the first strand and twist away from you to form a loop. Go back to the same strand. Yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. And that's how you make the magic circle. You should be able to adjust the circle by tugging on the yarn tail and the circle space. All you have to do now is make crochet stitches inside. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.